Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a short little tutorial on repairing one of my nails, and I wanted to do a ombre with a chrome effect. Of course I'm using my Valentino number 10 rose gold brush, and I'm going to be using a Valentino form. So I have my Gen 4 on a low speed to suction my napkin and to eliminate the odor of my monomer. So I will put that on low and put my napkin right over that. And now I'm going to get ready to place the form on my nail. So yeah, I'm using the Valentino forms. And what I do is I pinch the tip and then I kind of squeeze the sides, closing the side and the tip, not completely. I'm leaving it open because I'm doing a coffin shape. So I will not completely close that. If I were to be doing a stiletto, then I would completely close it. But yeah, so now I have it on there and I'm getting ready to go ahead and lay that acrylic. Just making sure it's nice and perfected. I'm going to be using my Prettiest Pink from Valentino Beauty Pure, my Crystal Clear from Valentino Beauty Pure, and I'm going to go in with my dehydrator and apply a pretty liberal amount onto the nail, followed by my primer. So now I'm going to go in with my number 10 brush and my Crystal Clear, and I'm going to put a thinner layer in between the natural nail and the form, kind of putting just a thin coat before I lay down the Soft Touch and the Prettiest Pink. Once I have that on there, then I'm going to go in with my Soft Touch, which I'm using with my Ombre. So I'm going to lay that in the middle of my nail bed, and I'm going to drag it towards the free edge. I did this one a little shorter than my others, so I kind of went back, you'll see in a bit, to lengthen that out. I like to kind of blend that in the center of the nail, just to kind of create that gradiated effect for my ombre. I'm going in with the Prettiest Pink, and I'm going to go right around the cuticle area, using the tip of my brush to make sure it's nice and thin around the cuticle, and then I'm going to pull that forward right over the Soft Touch from Valentino Beauty Pure. So I'm just kind of cleaning up around the cuticle. I always go in with my acetone to clean around it. And I'm going to add that Soft Touch like we talked about earlier, just to kind of lengthen that out a little more, because I wanted the nail to be a little longer. So I'm just blending that out, and I'm going to go in with my Crystal Clear from Valentino Beauty Pure, and I'm going to encapsulate that entire ombre. And I always start at the apex area. That's just my preference. There's no right or wrong way. I just like to do it that way. So yeah, I'm going to encapsulate that entire nail, and then I'm going to remove my napkin. I'm going to get my drill bits ready. First, I'm going to make sure that that's all secured dry, give it a little pinch, and then go ahead and just pinch it a little, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove that form, and then I will turn my Gen 4 on to medium to high speed, and I will first use my hand file from Valentino Beauty Pure, and I believe it's 150 grit, to just kind of straighten out those sidewalls, get any excess acrylic that was left from the form off of the sidewalls. I will be going in with my sanding band. It's a coarse sanding band, and I kind of go from sidewall to sidewall around the cuticle, up and down, all different directions. I switch bits, and I'm going to use my fine drill bit, but first I'm going to apply some cuticle oil onto the nail before I use my fine drill bit. Chelly's Nails taught me this, and it's a great technique and method. So the nail is really getting moisturized, and when you file, it eliminates any type of heat or friction, and it just really smooth process. So I really like to do this. It does not create lifting, because that's what most people think, but it's definitely not true because the acrylic is already laid and it's all secure. So again, I'm going to go back in with my hand file and just kind of crisp up all those edges, creating that nice squared shape, coffin, so it's tapered a little bit. I like to use the pink buffers, so I'm going to go ahead and buff that out. I'm I'm going to go at all different angles, all different directions. And once I'm done with this process, I will go ahead and get some acetone and wipe down the nail because I'm going to eliminate that oil that may be left over. I'm going to go in with my Valentino top gel, and I'm going to put a nice coat right over that nail, making sure I have it on all the nail sidewalls. I'm going to cure it for about 30 seconds in my LED light. And then I'm going to put some platinum chrome over it. And I just use the gloves that I have on, and I dip my finger into a little bit of it, and I'm going to just kind of rub it right onto the nail, creating a platinum chrome effect over an ombre. This works great with the Valentino top gel. I also go over it one more time. It is so shiny, so smooth, you guys. I'm going to cure it again for 30 seconds. And remember, the Valentino top gel is a non-wipe top gel, so once it's cured, you can go ahead and remove it. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Thanks.